Hello, Forex traders. Y'all sell FX ni. And then you beka Blufx wasem. Blufx kwanya mo fa so boa traders. Emo multimenya huge capital no mo dey trading in the financial markets. Na ya hwe opportunity a ewom se obetumi ameki in forex. Bebre ka say trading difficult, trading say. But Blufx the opportunity number. And the obia betumi a trade with little experience no. Obetumi a join the Blufx na wa make in forex trading. Nti video we yaw sell FX and the bremo. Nti yenwura mu na yenhwe de ekro. Se ka se Blufx den. Blufx company bia omo manage forex account. Blufx was scan ho na omo pe omo trade forex na omo ska no mutimi e trade no mo trade the Blufx expect wo no say at the end of the month no account size of Blufx e de be ma no o hwehwe say ubenya 5% increment e was account size no so when you say 5% increment na woni company no e be chesa profit na e da so no 50-50 company be chemienu pepe na wasende o half na ono so afa half yeto aso a yemra ye be den ya join Blufx e bia me video yi ekoso yi obi a na so be join e be den no join Blufx obetima join Blufx abra utua sika bi a wode be den wode be hyase Blufx emma sika kese se fa ye trading abra wo sika nim ekoba sa na trading ye fa passion in trading nti Blufx ebe require sika ketewa bi afiri ho na omama sika kese na dey trading nti sana eno no tie nti utua sa sika na Blufx dey account na ma na wa trade nti yenhwe account no emu dodo a Blufx wo ene sika obetua ansa na watimi awura Blufx mo. Nti the first one no light account no Blufx ebema $25,000 and account size of Blufx edebema and to say $25,000 no say ultimate bomodin enya sa 5% na make ho asem no add to $25,000 ne so sika Blufx ebetua ede amount $3,500 ultimate hit 5% month bia na Blufx ebema $3,500 payout and also 28 currency pairs Blufx salary amount so be trade and or the gold so account the second package no and so a friend pro and no $50,000 account na Blufx edebema and also no hit 5% and na say only company no HM50 amount to a company no betua the amount 7,125 Ghana cedis and also a 28 currency pairs and obe trade and the gold so den account nti o share sa analysis ye gu ha ya it means cool ultimate hitting kwa dia Blufx ebetua the amount afen yamra light packaging inside the ankasa amount to a here so obey Blufx member on light package 750 Ghana cedis na utua 750 Ghana cedis na obey member Blufx nti Blufx ebe fund the account size of $25,000 the amount MT4 so nti enya bawie na so account size ne fund we Blufx empese obeshi ni sika Blufx empese obe trade anyhow entina watiki sa 750 eno achi no wasanso de rules bi agu akwam sebe ya obe follow na watimi ameki Blufx empese ono nkwan be make nti all set rules the amount na wa follow na unya na omoswanya nti rules no enie ye trade on light account no we trade from Monday to Friday abrabo anopa no nsia ekopem anwumre nonkono entino position bia obebie trading platform no so no make sure say ade enche sa trade ne so and by 8:59 also sa trade no close whether in profit or in loss also close no every single day and after so no obeto currency pair na be equal up obeto at the same time on the same pair so bad down obetimi sell on the same pair but Blufx allowed type of trading no and after so leverage Blufx I won't say traders be brave nti o molusu ska no over leverage nti Blufx reduce the leverage about 1:3 sebe ya betimi abɔ sika no ho ban na bibia etimi akoso kama. Afei so no Blufx on the light package na yewo currency pairs a waselect amount say obe trade nti wo euro USD, euro pound, euro JPY, euro card, euro Swiss francs, euro what I say nti bia ne maximum lot size abetimabo nti ye fa euro USD a obetimabo 0.01 to 0.46 obo wi a ontimi fa bi nka ho odi bi ka ho a wablichi Blufx emra no and afei so no a pip per the lot size no so na wo won sabankum so aye the blue color aye no nti say enter trade with 0.46 a wo a pip at the mawa or amount of benya ewo Blufx we no aye $4.6 okay nti the other currency person so ni in your time abetimi I post video no go through. Afei yembra the pro package no so no amount a obehia na otima be member on the pro package no eso ye 1890 Ghana cedis. Unya we na utua usika na afei na Blufx I found the 50,000 account size at the amount. Now after finding the 50,000 account size no and also with the same or similar rules as compared to the light package. And then also your trading hours in 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday. But I have say I say all positions must be closed before 9 p.m. on every Friday. The TN say with this account say obo trade on Monday opa obetime jano obeja tuma akosi Friday na also close before market close. This na Blufx pro package etie. But on the lights man a day bia also close to trade and after so any can say enter position outside 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. and it's all the trade grind and the man open so about for fry also born between 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. and after so buying and selling simultaneously on the same pair is not allowed on the pro package too, and the leverage still remains the same 1:3 into sana etie. And after so one more thing, so light package so obetimi upgrade akọ pro package nti no obetua obeti light package no every pro package no na fe difference na obenya no na watua na ya upgrade your account no e de wakọ pro package na every pro no so na say Blufx so say obo homodin a wa account size no obetimi increase na ko $100,000 obetimi increase na ko $200,000 and from $200,000 now called $1 million fund management. A home no na Blufx achiwatum albema $1 million ma wade trading na percentage no so no e basa nti we ne enchechiremu kakra bia e fa Blufx nti no pro no so what currency pesa so trading nti on your own convenient time no you will bet me I go through post video no na wa share said esi etie nti yemfa nse wa video yi what you say why interested o person wo join Blufx obetimi a WhatsApp la ya ewo screens na so obetimi afre na any other nchiremu bia questions bia wo bia no obetimi abisa na ya chechiremu kama nti hurry come and join Blufx. Blufx is making it. Blufx is giving us the opportunity. Until we so bet me a join it na what me I make it in forex trading. With Blufx, trading has become so easy. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.